Hello, Maggie here. My latest blog post is titled Summer Sausage, where I share my very favorite product. Happening right now, my first bites of a highly recommended gluten-free bun. So, let's find out if it's worth recommending. It is from a family in Cincinnati, Ohio. My heart goes out to Cincinnati. Spending 5 years of my life in that city, so I really hope it's so tasty so I can recommend a local product to my fellow Ohioans. Yeah! Alright, let's give it a try. We're having sausage with sweet relish, mustard, okra, and shiitake mushrooms. Here goes nothing. It's a big boy. Oh wow. Bun recommended. Seriously impressive. If you're interested in my summer sausage, make your way on over to the blog where I share my favorite products with you for a delicious summer barbecue. Au revoir.